I bet the reason you're checking this video out is because you feel ready to enter the world of investing, but you feel you need some guidance on how to start, maybe a simple step-by-step information towards acquiring your first ever stock. Well, you are in the right place. I'll share with you the latest steps and some more, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to Rogue Sector. So tara, let's get to it. GCash and AB Capital Securities came up with a partnership called GStocks PH, which is a stock trading platform within GCash. GStock PH serves as the bridge between the buyers and the sellers. One question that I get a lot from beginner investors is, what happens when we buy stock? Well, a lot. But let me give you the simplified process. We send money and tell GStocks to place a buy order for us. GStocks sends our money and our buy order information to AB Capital. AB Capital places the order at the marketplace, which is the Philippine Stock Exchange. Once a seller satisfies our buy order, PSE then informs AB Capital about the successful purchase. AB Capital informs GStocks. GStocks informs the investor. Our stock certificates are kept by the Philippine Depository and Trust Corporation. They keep it so we don't lose it. This is optional, but if you want your stock certificate to be issued under your name, you can submit a request through AB Capital, who will then issue an upliftment request through the PDTC system. They charge a small amount for this. Now, to start investing, we need to cash in money to our GCash wallet. I'm sure you know how to do this like the back of your hand, but for those who don't, there's a link in the description below. Let's open up GCash. Mine currently has 16.5 and tap on G Invest and then on GStocks PH. Tap on AB Capital. It will tell you that you're about to get redirected to AB Capital Securities and some information about the market trading hours, so just tap on OK. Now, do you see that portion that says money to invest? That is our trading wallet. Mine says 0. Let's go ahead and put some money in it. Tap on top up. It's gonna ask you how much. Let's put in something small like 5,000 pesos. Next is a confirmation screen. Note that your money will not reflect real time. It takes one business day to get the fund out of your GCash wallet to your trading wallet. Let's tap on confirm. If all is good, you'll see a reference number. You'll also get a confirmation text message. Now, going back to our GStocks dashboard, what I want to do here is to tap on What's This? Just below the words Money to Invest. It will expand it and you should see your pending top-up amount right there. Now, let's check on our GCash balance. You'll see that 5,000 pesos has been deducted from my GCash wallet. It started out with 16,500. Deduction from your GCash happens real time, but it takes a business day to reflect to your GStocks trading wallet. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let me show off my superpower and speed up the time. Good morning. Now, here's how my GStocks PH dashboard looks like. The 5,000 pesos now reflects under money to invest, which means we can now move on to our main topic, buying a stock. Tap on buy. GStocks defaults to the top 30 listed companies in the PSE. If the company you want to buy is not part of the top 30, then tap on the menu button at the top left, then choose Board Lot. You may scroll down or may use the search function down on the lower left. Just type in the ticker code of the company you want to invest in. Tap on search and GStocks PH will display it at the top of the list. In this example, I typed in AREIT. Now tap on AREIT from the list. On the next screen, well, there's a lot of things, but don't let this overwhelm you. See that last price at the top left? Take note of that. As a beginner, that's what matters for now. Tap on buy. Now here is where we set our buy order. The number of shares defaults to the minimum number of shares that we can buy. For AREIT, it's 100 and then multiples of 100. We cannot buy 20 or 99. It should be 100 at least. We also cannot buy 101 or 105, but we can buy 200 or 300. Multiples of 100. For the validity and order type, well, as a beginner, let's leave them out. Now for the share price, Remember the last price I told you to take note of? That's what we're going to put in here. I think it was 34. So just tap on the minus sign for the price to go down 5 cents. It's the same idea as the number of shares, only this time it's in multiple of 5 cents. Today's stats. Again, for those of us who are just starting out, we don't want to overwhelm ourselves with too much information. For day traders, this information indicates price action which can make or break their trade. But that's not us. We're not day trading. Moving along to the last part, buying power simply means the amount of money in our trading wallet. There's our 5,000 pesos right there. Then there's of course the fees. It's how trading platforms earn their cut. The total price of our purchase is 3,400 pesos. That's 100 shares of A-REIT at 34 pesos apiece. Tap on Preview Buy Order. Everything seems good to me, so let's tap on Place Order. We will be redirected to the My Orders screen. As you can see, I have 2 orders of A-REIT here. One has a black round arrow, which means that order is active. The other one has an orange X because it was cancelled. That's because I actually tried going through all of this before making this video, and then I canceled that transaction. While we wait for a seller to satisfy our purchase order, let me stop the video and grab something to eat. Alright, so I was playing around with the platform trying to modify the purchase order we made when I got this alert right here. So let's tap on it and, well, there, our order has been filled. By the way, whether you're just beginning or an already experienced investor, it is always worth the effort to explore and learn. However, as a beginner, information overload is real, so be kind to yourself. No one expects you to learn all of this all at once. If we go back to My Orders screen, you'll see that we now have a check mark where the black arrow was. Now let's tap on Portfolio at the bottom. Here, you'll see the list of stocks you own. The ticker/name column refers to a company. The POS/AVG stands for position/average. Position simply means the number of shares you own. Average means the average cost of those positions, or the average cost of the shares you own. The last/time refers to the last price action of the stock. See that gain information at the top right? You can get back to this screen every month or so to see how much you've gained or, God forbid, have lost. This brings us to your most important takeaway from this video. Buying stocks is as easy as learning to drive a car. You can actually do it in minutes. Being an efficient driver, though, is a different story. You have to know the road signs, road courtesy, and yeah, insurance, maintenance, and even troubleshooting. That's what responsible driving is about. Same goes with your investing journey. This video can help you become a better and responsible investor, especially in a downtrend market. And in this video is where the steps are on how to sell your stocks on GStocks PH. Well, it was fun. If you find value from this, please consider liking and subscribing. And that's about it. Thank you for spending your time with me here at Rogue Sector. Till then.